This story with our guest tonight, NU Bulldogs head coach Jeff Napa and co-cap Patrick Yu. Congratulations. Maraming salamat for being on the show, Coach Jeff. 4-1 na kayo. Solo second right behind UP. Mabibigat ang panalo ng NU against Ateneo and LaSalle. Gano'ng makakatulong tong malaking victory moving forward, lalo na malapit na matapos ang first round, Coach Jeff?
Siyempre, malaking impact dahil mga stronger teams yung lahat dito sa UAP. So, dito pa lang sa first round, big win for us para at least na makakuha kami ng mga wins na ganito talaga.
Cap, Pat, you finished 12 points. Congratulations.
Yes,
5 doon galing sa OT. And isa sa mga malaking bagay, laking tiwala sa'yo ni Coach Jeff, ikaw ang team co-captain along with Nash, yung kumpiyansa. Gano'ng kalaking bagay yun na talagang binibigay sa'yo ni Coach Jeff na sige Pat, meron kang green light, go signal, ikaw ang leader dito, take us home.
Yun nga, there was a time na nakalimutan ko yun during the fourth quarter. Yun, pinag-ratean niya ni Coach. Siguro nakuha ko rin yung confidence ko ulit nung sinabi ni Coach. Pang-lashing voice niya nga. Tira ka lang kasi lahat naman kami pinapatira talaga. Open shot naman.
So pag pinapagalitan, alam mo naman tough love lang yun na Coach, isa sa mga pinakamahirap, yung ma-maintain to Alam mo din yan, Pat, yung level of performance, kailangan ma-sustain. How are you making sure na kaya natin tuloy-tuloy to? And syempre, pag nagka-rematch na with UP in the second round, para hindi kayo masyadong makumpiyansa. Not too high, not too low, Coach Jeff.
Yun nga, yung siyempre yung lagi pinapaalala sa amin yung mga coach namin, stay humble pa talaga. Yung pa rin yung it's just an ordinary win talaga. Para at least alam namin na hindi kami parang makontento talaga sa mga panalo na nakukuha namin.
Eto, alam kong kumpiyansa kayo pero kailangan hindi nga masyadong ma-relax at hindi din maging overconfident. Tanong ko, kaya bang mag all the way, Coach Jeff, kahit natalo ng UP nung first round few Saturdays ago? Kaya ba magtuloy-tuloy? Lalo na ngayon, ang pinapakita, may mga mature players ka like Pat, your captain, Nash, Jake Figueroa, na malaking bagay, double-double. Gaano ka kumpiyansa, Coach Jeff, na kaya magtuloy-tuloy at mag all the way ang NU?
Alam naman ng mga players ko kasi nabanggit ko lang sa kanila kung ano yung expectation ko talaga sila. So, hopefully, ma-meet nila expectation ko talaga. Then, they can find ways para ma-reach yung goal talaga. So, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari talaga. Kami to the last 2 games namin sa first round, all the way to the second round.
Pat, ikaw naman, as team captain, how will you make sure your team not stays overconfident and wag naman masyadong mag-relax?
Yun nga, we just have to have a healthy competition during the practice and always remember that, as what Coach said before, that we have to be superstars in our own roles. Kasi mas malakas kami as a team, not individually.
I agree. And good luck in your next game the rest of the way. I wish I had more time. Next time, I promise, we'll have a longer conversation. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you, Coach. And thank you, Cap. That was NU Bulldogs head coach Jeff Napa and co-captain Patrick Yu.